Hear it one more time. I don't know. Sound, it's still, you can still hear it a little bit when it's revved up. It smells a little hot too. Definitely seems to be coming from maybe even the alternator, I don't know. If the alternator would make a noise like that or not. Definitely sounds like it's coming from the front of the engine here. Almost down there by the alternator is where it really seems to be coming from. Definitely smelling really hot now. I don't know if that alternator's melting down or what. Or if it's something else. Definitely smells hot.